وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Just before you're going to ask Allah Azza wa Jal, I'm going to share with you a beautiful hadith. Okay, this hadith is in Tirmidhi, hadith 3475, hadith that is sound. Okay, it's a sound hadith. Burayda ibn al-Husayb al-Aslami radiyallahu anhu says that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard a man saying these words. And when he said these words, okay, I'm going to tell you the words in a bit. When he said these words, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he remarked, he said, "Walladhi nafsi biyadi," I swear by the one who has my soul in his hands. This man has asked Allah, Sa'al Allah bismihil azam. He has asked Allah through Allah's greatest name. إِذَا دُعِيَ بِهِ أَجَابَ. When that name is invoked and called, Allah answers one's du'as. وَإِذَا سُئِلَ, Allah will answer to them. وَإِذَا سُئِلَ بِهِ أَعْطَى. When Allah is asked through this name, then Allah is ready to give. Okay, what is that? What are those words? The person said this. He said this, and I want you to memorize this in Arabic if you can, okay? I want you to try at least, you should at least be able to memorize a few things, okay? I know generations getting worse with memorization, la ilaha illallah, with all these TikTok generation, I don't know what else is going on, It's just getting more and more like, you just get information, you don't have to digest it, you don't have to memorize anything, you just, Yallah, I'm already, I'm there in life, right? I've made it in life. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Use your brain cells, guys. If you use your brains, the brain is a muscle. I don't know if you know that. The brain is actually like a muscle. If you don't use your muscle here, bros, I'm just showing you. If you don't use your muscles here, what's going to happen? You're going to lose all those abs and whatever biceps and whatever you've got there, the triceps, you're going to lose all of that. The same way the brain, okay? The brain is a muscle that if you use it, the more you use it, the better it remains. The moment you stop using your arm, it's going to become dead. All right? The moment you stop using your brains to memorize, it's going to be very bad at memorizing. So if you want the solution to that, look, people don't get worse over time in memorizing. People don't get worse. It's just that you have stopped using your brain. Like they forced you to use your brain when you were at school. Once you left school, once you left college, university, you stop using your brains for those things, and then after that, what? You just start forgetting. You forget it, and you can't keep things in your mind. The more you memorize, the more you'll actually be able to keep in your mind. So those of you who don't know the certain surahs and things, I'm going to ask you kindly, please get a whole goal in your head that I'm going to memorize this surah, then that surah. Even if it's a small surah, I'm going to memorize those surahs and make a mission in your head that you're going to do that. Okay, inshallah, say that. Inshallah, honestly, please. So this thing, try and memorize this. It's a beautiful thing that once you look what the Prophet ﷺ said, your du'as are going to be answered because this is the greatest, Ismullahi al-Azam, it's the greatest of Allah's names. He said, Allahumma inni as'aluka. Oh Allah, I am asking you, bi anni ashhadu, by testifying, annaka antallah, that you, only you are Allah, la ilaha illa anta. There is no other deity, there is no other one worthy of worship except for you. Al-Ahad, As-Samad, you are the one, okay? You are the one and only. As-Samad, and you are the one that is totally independent from your creation, yet your creation is dependent on you. Alladhi lam yalid wa lam yulad, the one who has never given birth nor has he been begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, and there is nothing that is similar to you in any single way. There is no one or anything that is similar to you. These are the words. Okay, so if you manage to memorize that, okay, say those words, and you've got a very good high chance now, inshallah bi'idhnillah, of having your du'as answered. Now, you can listen to the recording inshallah later on because I'm not going to be able to carry on repeat them. It's going to take a little bit of time, but you can find the hadith. Okay, I've just told you this. Look online, you can find, just type in Tirmidhi 3475 and inshallah online that hadith should come up and you should be able to find that hadith.